Hey there! Welcome to Topia. Hey there! Welcome to Topia. This world is designed to familiarize yourself with the possibilities of Topia. As you explore, you'll traverse several platforms that look a little different. Each one will introduce a core functionality. So feel free to explore them in order or skip around. Don't worry, this world is designed to be both intuitive and user-friendly. Would you like a guided tour? We'll walk up to any of the avatars that look like me, and you'll learn something new from me or one of my colleagues. Have fun! Hey there!
Topia is a platform of virtual worlds where you explore and connect with other people through video chat. When you approach another person, your audio and video will connect. And as you walk away, you'll disconnect. It's like being in person. You may see that there are hundreds of people in a room or space, but you only talk to the group around you, and you can easily move between conversations. Topia makes staying connected fun and engaging. So go on, explore, invite your friends, and see what this virtual world has to offer.
In Topia, you'll connect with up to 9 people via video chat. You can also communicate with people through text chat. We've got session-based chat channels that anyone can see, as well as DMs and group messaging. Click the message icon in the toolbar on the left side of the screen to check out the chat. In Topia, you'll connect with up to 9 people.
Hey there! If you need to be heard by more than 9 people, don't worry, we've got you covered with broadcasting. You can choose to broadcast to the entire world or just a small space within the world. Step on up to the mic and you'll be broadcasting to the amphitheater. You'll know you'll be broadcasting because you'll see an icon in the upper left of your own video, and you also get a notification on the bottom left of your screen. You can also screen share. Hover over your video and click screen share. Step on up and give it a try. Hey there! If you need to be heard by more than 9 people, don't worry.
You can make any asset in Topia interactive. That means you can embed almost anything in your world, from images and videos to web pages, documents, slide decks, and even collaborative tools. Share the content that matters to you with your audience, or set up a space for easy collaboration. Click on the logo in this space to get inspired. Whether you're hosting a brainstorming session with colleagues, connecting your students with curriculum, or hiding fun Easter eggs for your guests to find, Topia's easy-to-use editor allows you to integrate with the tools that matter most to you. You can make any
You may have figured it out already by the change in scenery on each of these platforms, but Topia can look and feel however you want. From serene landscapes to bustling cityscapes, the possibilities are endless. Changing the scene is simple. If this is a world where you have admin permission, you'll see a library button on the toolbar. From there, you can explore lots of pre-made scenes and assets, or you can upload your own assets to make the world all your own. Want to check it out? Try clicking one of the buttons next to me to see a completely new scene on this platform. Any change you make will be visible to anyone in the world, so we'll all have the same experience together.
Hi there. When you create a world for yourself, or you've been granted admin permissions to a world, you will get access to a whole bunch of new controls, editing tools, and settings. As an admin, you can change the way the world looks, moderate the space, update the world details, and so much more. To learn more about the powers of an admin, click on the icons inside this workshop. You may already have admin access in this world. If so, you'll see controls on the bottom left side of the toolbar. If not, you can always create your own world to check it out by clicking the plus button on the bottom left of the toolbar. We can't wait to see what you create. Onwards! Hi there!
We have several options to ensure that only people who you want to enter the world will have access. From public worlds to strictly secure access control, we got you covered. You can add a password or restrict access to a guest list. We also have the ability to integrate with your single sign-on identity provider so that only people within your organization can access the space. You can further restrict access to the environment and to specific worlds with predefined user groups that test against specific user attributes like grade in class or team and role. And you can have the option to schedule when your world will be open. We have several options to ensure that only people
We have a robust set of moderation tools that can integrate with your existing systems and workflows to help ensure a positive and respectful environment for your community. The safety and well-being of our users is our top priority. From reporting and blocking other users, to report alert notifications, a moderation dashboard, and AI-assisted content moderation, we've got a full suite of capabilities to meet your needs. Click on the video to see moderation actions that can be taken. We have a
When it comes to safety and moderation, there are several tools you can use to moderate your world. All users have the ability to report other users for any inappropriate behavior. To do this, hover over their video and click on their name. From the drop-down, choose Report User. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu and add in any additional details. When finished, click Submit Report. You can also report users directly from the current guest lists. Users have the ability to block other users with the exception of admins at any time. To do this, hover over their video and click on their name. From the drop-down, choose Block User. You also have the option to report from this menu. This automatically mutes Brian and removes his video so he can't connect to me. To unblock, go back to the peer video and choose Unblock. All world admins have the ability to remove and ban users from the world. To temporarily remove a user, hover over their video and click on the Safety Actions icon. From here, choose Remove User from World from the drop-down menu. This will cause the user to reload in order to re-enter the world. You can also access the Safety Actions icon for any user in the world from the current guest list. To completely ban a user, go back to the same Safety Actions icon and click Ban User from World. This will remove the user from the world and not allow them to come back until they are taken off of the banned guest list. In addition to these moderation tools, there are several world settings that can be turned on or off based on your preferences. Here's a short list to give you an idea of what is possible.
We've got a robust SDK, both JavaScript and C#, and an API layer that enables you to seamlessly integrate any content, application, game, or learning experience. With the SDK, you have the power to modify the world, update persistent data objects, and even trigger UI interactions on behalf of your visitors. You can also set webhooks that fire on user actions, which you can catch with any server. You can create your own custom dynamic social experiences or connect third-party applications that already exist. The Topia system meets your organization where it is, so all of your existing applications, technologies, and systems can be integrated or instantly turned into multiplayer, cooperative experiences. Spend some time exploring this platform to see some examples of games and apps that we've built using the SDK. If you're an engineer, like me, or an aspiring engineer, you can find the technical documentation and example repos in the developer corner to my right. We've got a robust SDK.
In Topia, you can configure an area as a zone. Zones can be given a custom name and designated a landmark in the world, and you can even see who's gathering at each zone. Zones can also be made private, so that only the people inside the zone can connect via audio and video. A private zone is great for small group meetings or study groups. You can also restrict access to the zone by capacity or to specific people. And if the zone is at capacity or someone is not on the invite list, they will not be able to connect with others in the zone. In Topia,
Topia makes it super easy to customize your world. You can choose from a variety of pre-made scenes and assets or upload your own assets. They're just PNGs. You can also add video, audio, or links to your favorite games or websites, making it even more engaging. Editing is only available to people with the editing permission. If you have the editing permission in this world, you'll see a library icon in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. And if this is your world, you can add anybody as an editor. Click on the video asset to see what editing looks like in action. Topia makes it super.
Hey, congratulations! You made it all the way up here. Well, I think I have the hardest job of them all. I'm supposed to tell you about settings and controls, but there are so many. Each world in Topia is super customizable, and as the creator, you're in the driver's seat for all of the controls. From customizations to your world entry, like image, title, and description, to setting open-close schedules, to turning on and off the video or text-based chat functionality. You can put a cap on the number of users who can be in the world at a time, or capture emails of those who enter. We've also got an analytics dashboard so that you can track progress, measure engagement, and tailor experiences to meet the unique needs of your users. And we're constantly adding new features to put additional power in your hands. Do you have an idea for something new? Well, let us know via email at support@topia.io. Have a great time.